The biggest mistake builders make with software isn't picking a bad platform, it's picking the wrong one for how their business actually works. A 3-person custom builder doesn't need the same tools as a 60-person production builder. But when you're drowning in texts from homeowners and calls from subs, it's easy just to pick the name you've heard the most. We've worked with home builders for years to find the right platform for them. Today, we're breaking down the top 4 software and who they're built for, so you can pick the right one that actually fits your company. Quick reality check, general contracting software is completely different from home building software. If you use it to run your home building business, you're making life harder than it needs to be. GC software is designed for commercial jobs, not buyer selections, design approvals, or clients who need to change their tile choices 3 times. Home builder software expects this kind of stuff. It's built around residential workflows. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the 4 platforms that actually get it right. And if you want help figuring out which fits you, that's what we do at Software Connect. We narrow it down, set up live demos, and get you real pricing and custom quotes based on how you run your projects and manage buyers. Go to softwareconnect.com to get started. First up on my top 4 list, Houzz Pro. This one's built for established remodeling and custom home building businesses. Think over $2 million in revenue with a solid team behind you. Here's what sets it apart: the 3D floor planning tool. You can start from a 2D blueprint, scan the existing space with their mobile app, or build from scratch. Then you're dragging in walls, doors, windows, and furniture to create a complete visual. The platform connects to actual product catalogs from hundreds of retailers, so when you drop in a light fixture or a vanity into a design, it's not just a placeholder, it's the actual thing with real dimensions and pricing. The walkthrough mode is where this really pays off. Your clients aren't squinting at the floor plan trying to imagine their kitchen, they're actually virtually standing in it, rotating the view. And when you want to change the cabinet finish or move a window, you're adjusting it on the spot so they see the impact right away. You can also drop comments on certain elements like, client wants to see a different tile here, so your team and subs know exactly what's happening in each room. It keeps everyone on the same page before the first nail ever gets driven, saving you from costly mid-project changes. This next one is for design build firms that handle everything from initial drawings to final walkthrough. Sage Construction Management, formerly known as CoreCon, is a popular choice for small remodelers and mid-sized contractors alike, helping them juggle multiple projects. The estimate and proposal tools are where Sage separates itself from basic project management platforms. You're building detailed estimates you can organize however your business works, by division, phase, or cost code. When it's time to present to the client, you're not copying and pasting into Word or reformatting spreadsheets. You upload your custom proposal template once, and from that point on, every estimate pulls directly from your branded format. This means consistent proposals every time. Here's the part that saves you hours. When scope changes mid-project, and you know it always does, you're adjusting the estimate and the updated proposal regenerates automatically. No manual updates, no version control nightmares. Your subs and suppliers see line item breakdowns. Your clients see a clean proposal, and your office sees live cost tracking. It's built for firms that need to move fast between design revisions and construction reality without losing track of numbers. For small to mid-sized builders, I generally recommend something like Custom Homebuilder Solutions thanks to its strong financial management system. Full job costing, estimating, AP with check printing, AR with quick billing, cash tracking by job, it's all built around the financial reality of custom home building. The estimated cost at completion worksheet gives you that answer instantly. It's pulling your original budget, every PO you've issued, posted cost from accounting, and change orders into one screen, so you can see exactly where each job stands today. When costs start creeping over budget, you can course correct before it eats into your profit. The system handles the financial tasks that eat up your week. Draw requests for construction loans or client billing auto-generate from your posted costs. No more building spreadsheets to justify every line item. Change orders priced out based on actual cost data, so you know that you're staying profitable when your clients add that extra bathroom. And because everything connects, you're not double entering data. Now for home builders and remodelers competing on customer experience, Buildertrend's client portal makes it a decent pick. The custom portal helps you keep clients informed without hiring extra staff to manage constant calls and emails. Buyers log into their phone to see real-time schedule updates, track selections, and submit questions instead of calling your PM at 7 a.m. When they want to upgrade countertops, they review and digitally sign change orders right there. You can control what they see, schedule milestones, progress photos, selection deadlines, but not your trade costs or profit margins. Another cool thing, there's also a built-in subcontractor portal where they can submit bids, view schedules, and upload daily logs. It's how you stay responsive and transparent across jobs without constant handholding. Now, one thing I will say about Buildertrend, it's not cheap. Many contractors I've talked to were looking at $6,000 to $12,000 per year. This makes sense. It does fall into our mid-tier range. Houzz Pro and Custom Homebuilder Solutions fall into our entry-level to mid-tier range, while Sage is pretty solid high tier. So to recap, Houzz Pro is best for remodeling and custom builds. Sage Construction Management and Custom Home Builder Solutions are great for small to mid-sized builders, and Buildertrend is excellent for its customer portal tool. Those aren't your only options, though. Build Pro is another really solid pick, along with 123Works. You can check out our roundup on the top home builder software for even more recommendations, or head over to softwareconnect.com to get your free needs analysis and start demos today. And don't forget to check out our videos on Houzz Pro and Buildertrend if you want an even deeper dive on those platforms. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.